Hey guys, it's Ashley from Nada Tree Reviews, and today we are unboxing Jeweled by Jupiter. I know a lot of you guys liked when I did the video like this before. You said you could look right down into the box, and so I figured we'll shake it up once in a while with this sort of a frame. And of course, as always, my cat is here to say hello. Come on, you want to get in here and say hi? So a little bit about Jeweled by Jupiter. This is a monthly jewelry subscription. Boxes are $26.99 if you go month to month. They do drop down to $21.99 if you subscribe for 6 months or longer. There's 3 pieces of jewelry in each box, as well as 1 grooming or beauty item, and also a glow up card that gives you like self-care tips and things like that. I have no idea what's in here. I'm really excited. This did come in a USPS like outer envelope, and then this was inside. So here's the, it's gonna have this weird, because of the way let's just try this. How about that? How's that work? All right, so it has this little card that gives you $5 off in-shop purchases. And then there's the codes on the back. I don't know if I should share that though. All right, so first off here, Crowned by Jupiter, luxury hair and lash queen. My God, you have been. I'm trying to look through my camera. So behold, the queen for her majesty. Good hair gets you compliments. Great hair makes you feel like royalty. Claim your, hey, I'm trying to read this. Claim your throne and rule your queendom by being crowned by Jupiter. We offer a virgin. Oh, so you get like free hair things? Oh, that's cool. All right, so that's neat. And then here's everything in our box. I'm going to try to get the light in there so you can kind of see a little better. Lovely shadows. All right, so first right here we have citrus mint. This looks like a bath tablet of some sort. And then the other is jasmine honeysuckle. And if you've watched my channel enough, you know that I love florals. So I'm excited to try these out. I think they're bath tablets. You put them in and it puts a good amount of like fuzz in your tub. All right, so then we have, here's our first box. And inside we have this really pretty, kind of, I want to use the word glitzy. I don't know if that's appropriate, but it's a heart. It is stamped out and it has like a thicker, I guess, shape. Duh. I know it sounds so simplistic. This is really pretty. I love this for the holidays. All right, moving along, we next have this box. I'm gonna open it and then I'll be right back. So these are really gorgeous. These are just open-ended bracelets. There are 3 in total. So the first one has this kind of a, I want to say opalescent quality to it. See that? That mother of pearl kind of, and then this one has like a black marbled design in it. And then we have 2 others, both with the same, just different shapes. The first is a triangle, then we have a circle, and then finally we have, oh, this is a little different. So you could wear these together, you could wear these separately. My camera doesn't want to focus, but this definitely matches this ring, if you didn't notice. I think that's pretty cute, huh? What do you think? All right, so let me know down below, are you guys into jewelry? I love jewelry. I can't get enough of it. All right, this looks like a bracelet. Ooh. Ta-da. Ooh, okay. So this looks like a rose quartz, or maybe not. What is that? Oh, I don't know what that is. It's pretty. That color is gorgeous. And it's not like, can you see how like, it's not opaque. It's a translucent, and there's like the clouding. How gorgeous. This is a long chain as well. Let's get off the fuzzy thing. Ooh, this is pretty. I have parent-teacher conference tonight. Maybe I'll wear it. Yeah, I think that's really cool. I'm loving that. Ooh, that's definitely my favorite piece. There's still items in the box though, so let's check it out. This looks like a sachet. And actually I think I've had this one before. It smells fruity. It's like real fruity, but look at the pretty pattern. So you drop this into your drawer with, you know, whatever, and it gives it a nice scent. Then there's a card here. I'm going to open it off camera. So these are what would be your glow up cards. You're like really pretty inside and out, which is really cute. And a nice thing to send just to make people feel good. And it's blank on the back. So you could actually pass this on though, like, you know, pay it forward. And then this one is a stressless card. And it says, sit on a hummock. Close your eyes and imagine being in a forest. You see a beautiful green hummock in front of you and you decide to sit and rest. Now observe your surroundings. What can you see? So it says like a guided visualization. That's really cool. And then the card actually says, warm thoughts can make the sun a little brighter, the sky a little bluer, and the world a little nicer. I love that. That's so cute. Okay, so finally in this box we have, there's a lot of stuff. This is a Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm Sheet Mask. So this is super hydrating mask, glow boosting. It looks like they have sakura in here. The flowers like cherry blossom. Oh yeah, it says with sakura extract, hyaluronic acid. There's one sheet mask in here. This is, it looks like it's a cloth mask, so it's not a cellulose or anything like that. That is really cool. I always can use these. You guys know I love them so much. So in this box we received our sheet mask, our glow up cards, a nice little sachet, our 3 pieces of jewelry, the ring, the bracelets, which is really 3 pieces in itself. The pretty necklace, which I love. I'm going to wear that actually right after this. Whatever this is, if you're interested in finding out more, I'm going to link to my full review below, so you can go check that out. And I'll put more information about this particular item and all of the items in general, so that you guys can find out more if you're interested. And then also I'll link to Jeweled by Jupiter so you can check them out. And then the final item were these cool little bath tablets, which were a nice addition. So let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know if you like jewelry. Remember, we asked that. Oh, so anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know also how you like this view. I know a couple of you said you really like it. Some people said it didn't feel as personal, so you know, the jury's out on that one. Thanks guys. See you soon. Bye.